Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zenito. Today we'll be talking about the precautions we need to take before we put on our face mask, when we have our face mask on, and before we take off our face mask. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. So come on, let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is to wash your hands. While you are at that, the tap handle, you need to wash that too, because you don't know where your hands have been, and it doesn't make sense for you to wash your hands and not wash the tap handle and then go back to it after cleaning your hands. Also, the liquid shampoo, you need to wash the tip as well for the next person that is coming to use it. And make sure you use hot water, warm water rather. Yes, that's done. So the next thing is to dry off our hands. That we washed our hands. The next thing to do is to put on your face mask. Get your face mask. Attach it to this side of your hair. Then attach it to the other side of your hair. Voila, it's as easy as that. Okay, thank you. So avoid touching your face when you have a face mask on. Avoid adjusting your face mask. Let's say for instance your face mask comes down like this. Avoid putting your hand on your face, flipping your hair and all that. Get the hand sanitizer that comes with an handle. Attach it to your belt hole. Voila. Guys can use this, the ladies can use this when you're going out without your purse or your bag. This is easy and it's effective. Attach it to the side of the bag. When you have your face mask on and you don't have a hand sanitizer, avoid touching your face. Avoid flipping your hair and all that. No, avoid it. It is not advisable except you have your hand sanitizer with you. So I know this happens to a lot of people. You find out that your face mask is falling off. Do not stress yourself. We have our hand sanitizer here. Just use your hand sanitizer. Press it on your hand. Then adjust. After adjusting, I would advise you getting sunglasses. And then now I've been to the supermarket and I'm back to the house. I'm about to take off my face mask. Should I go ahead? No. You should never take off your face mask without washing your hands. You need to wash your hands after going out. The other time, before you take out your face mask, you need to wash your hands. Because while you're out there, you don't know where your hands have been. So before, again, wash your hands. So we're going ahead again. Don't forget to clean the tip of the liquid wash. The tap handle, like we did earlier on. Rinse the hand with warm water. Dry your hands and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please click on the subscribe button and keep safe. Use your face mask before you go out. Use your hand sanitizer. Stay at home if you need to. Bye.